Why do computational fluid dynamics, or CFD simulations, matter in today's world? In the realm of engineering and beyond, CFD simulations play a pivotal role in designing and optimizing systems that involve fluid flow, heat transfer, and chemical reactions. They're the unseen force behind the smooth operation of industries ranging from aerospace to biomedical. Enter MR CFD, a company that has become synonymous with high-diversity CFD simulations. Founded in the year 2008, MR CFD, standing for Main Resource of Computational Fluid Dynamics, set out with a mission to create a vast repository of CFD simulations. MR CFD's goal is not just about being a leader in the world of engineering. It's about using its expertise to improve lives and protect the natural world. The company sees CFD as a tool, a means to realize these lofty aspirations. Offering a diverse range of services, MR CFD is more than just a CFD simulation company. It's a research hub, a consultant, a trainer, a publisher, and a technical support provider. MR CFD has policies in place to provide as much education and products for free as possible, helping individuals and organizations worldwide to reach their goals. From a humble beginning, MR CFD has grown to become a force to reckon with in the CFD industry. The company prides itself on its friendly intimacy, considering itself as a family united in a common purpose, to use their expertise in CFD to make the world a better place. MR CFD's experience is as diverse as its services. The company has worked on innovative solutions for a wide range of industries. From flow analysis in compressors and axial fans for the aerospace and automotive sectors, to analyzing wind turbines for the energy industry, and heat transfer analysis of heat exchangers in the medical field, MR CFD's footprint is everywhere. In conclusion, MR CFD stands as a beacon in the world of CFD simulations. Its contributions, spanning over a decade, have not only pushed the boundaries of what's possible in various industries, but have also made a significant impact on the lives of people and the health of our planet. The journey of MR CFD is a testament to the transformative power of computational fluid dynamics and its potential to shape the future.